Hello everyone, welcome back to Consistent Profits. On this installment, I will be giving you an analysis on the dollar index, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and the US500. This is a midweek analysis. I've already given a forecast video. If you haven't seen that, you can go now and check it out. Earlier this week, Monday it was, and now it is Wednesday, and we are having a look again at these markets and how they have been performing. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart we have already spoken about this fair value gap. Price reacted from it, and now we traded into these lows and this fair value gap, and we were expecting price to react, and we are seeing that reaction. However, the sentiment of this market, it's kind of like bearish on the weekly time frame. However, we're still waiting for confluence from the daily time frame for it to also show a sentiment that it is bearish, and then we can confidently say that this market now is beginning to will be beginning to seek lower prices and eventually take out this level. However, at this moment it can go anywhere. Price can trade higher and close this fair value gap fully and begin to trade lower then, and so forth. However, we're still very much on a bullish state as far as this market is concerned, and without wasting time, I'm gonna go into the daily time frame. As you can see, there is a fair value gap here that price has traded into. It's a very small one, but these wicks are not meeting, which as a result create an imbalance, and price have traded into that imbalance, and it might easily just trade higher, take out this high, continue higher, or take it out and then drop lower to take out this low, which then will give us a confirmation to say this market has turned its profile to bearish now, and then that will give us confidence as far as taking those trades on EURUSD and GBPUSD to the upside. As a swing trader, as a day trader, there's definitely opportunities that you can take regardless of the analogy that I've just explained right now. So what am I seeing? I'm seeing this market as bullish for now, and then we will see how this week continues, and then we can speak about how is this market going to act going forward. Now, without wasting time, I'd like to go into EURUSD. Remember when the dollar index is going higher, because right now in the daily time frame it's still showing signs of reaching for higher prices. It has not fully confirmed for swing traders especially that the market is going to crash down. It makes it difficult for EURUSD and GBPUSD, even if it's showing signs of bullishness or bullish sentiment, to just surge and go higher, because both of the instruments are still in the bullish states. Euro is in the bullish state, and GBP is in bullish state. Also, the dollar index is in the bullish state, which makes it a little bit tricky to take those long-term trades or swing trades, which can potentially reach for higher prices like over here, or maybe even ultimately to take out this high, which is what we are saying that this market is likely to do. However, with that having been said, this market is still very much in a bullish state, and depending on the kind of trader you are, obviously you could have taken opportunities to the down yesterday, and also on Monday, and to the up on today, which is Wednesday. However, this market is pretty much bullish. It's just that the dollar at the moment is also bullish, and we are not seeing it surge higher. So timing is of the essence. We need to wait for right time and observe the markets see how they act, because you can only trade the price action. Price will leave you hints and signs of what is about to do next. All you have to do is to learn those characteristics, and then you will come right. So with that having been said, you can see that the shift in the momentum has been, there. It is there, and potentially this market, we can see it rise, or simply because the dollar is still bullish, come low, take out this level, and then maybe then create a market structure shift, which will give us full confidence that price is going to rise into higher prices, take out this level potentially as well. Okay, that is what I see as far as this market is concerned. And you can have a look now at GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, we are pretty much more bullish than EURUSD, because even yesterday's closing price was above Tuesday's high, and price potentially has also traded above the high of Monday. The high of Monday came at 1.29032, whereas the high of yesterday was at 1.2808. Okay, it wasn't quite above it, but you can see today it has traded above that. So this market is pretty much more bullish than the EURUSD, and this can potentially trade higher into this fair value gap over here that we see, and or go all the way up here into this level that we are potentially targeting. It's actually the target that we have, and we see price potentially reaching into. Okay, this is what we see as far as this market is concerned. But just like I had said with the EURUSD, these two markets, EURUSD, GBPUSD, are pretty much in a bullish state. However, the dollar is also bullish, so it makes it a little bit difficult for these levels to be reached that we are expecting as swing traders, but as well as day traders can take advantage of these moves, because you can see momentum has quite shifted a bit to this side, but this doesn't necessarily mean price will surge all the way up. It can potentially, but there is also a possibility that price will seek lower prices and begin to take out these levels, and once that has been done, then begin to shift both this market and also on the dollar index, the dollar index shifting to the bearish side, and this one making another shift into the bullish side, and then we begin to see price surging to these levels over here, or even potentially not even seeing price trade into this level, but instead crash down, take out these lows over here. Anything is possible, but for now we are still observing this market, and we're seeing that the bullish possibilities. However, the dollar index is playing a major role to that to transpire as well. All right, without wasting time, I'd like to go into the US500, and on the US500 you can see this market, like we had already said earlier this week, that we are anticipating for price to trade into this level. Yes, Thursday last week, and then this was Friday. Monday opened, it traded below the Friday, and then it began to surge higher, and then it took out this level over here, just like we had anticipated. So as a day trader, swing trader, there could have been opportunities there that you could have taken, and see price reach this level, take your profits, and you're nice. So as far as that was, upshift, as you can see, and yeah, I hope you took advantage of those moves and you became profitable while you were at it. All right, without wasting time, I would just like to inform you that these ideas that we share on this channel are not necessarily for you to go into the markets and begin to use your own money, real money, but you can practice them on your demo account, backtest them, see if you understand them, and whenever you feel comfortable and ready, based on your own discretion, you will then go into the markets and begin to trade with your real money. However, I wish you a profitable week. I hope I have, given you something of value, something that will help you in your trading without wasting time. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.